K5 Blazer. Well, I was plowing some snow the other day, not a lot, and all of a sudden I heard clang, clang, boom, boom, crack, crack. So I unlocked my front hubs and I jacked it up in the shop and I checked and everything's kosher in the front end. U-joint yokes are worn because the caps rotate in the shaft. It's just a side effect of beating the crap out of your truck with a Dana 44. So, U-joints are good, which I guess is bad news. So I came here to the back differential because everything up front seemed to be all right. I noticed a leak. I noticed that the yoke is loose on the pinion gear, splines, but that's not a big deal. A bit of an oil leak, which means something's loose here. But look at this. I have got 50, 60 degrees of movement. Oh, I just felt something rub. Yep, I think I'm missing half my teeth. Not good. I move it here. I think the drum's gotten rusty. I got a lot of fluid film on this baby, but nothing is forever. Bit of rust there on the body mount. Bit of rust here on my transmission transfer case hump. You wouldn't think it would rust, but it does. And I've slathered on the fluid film rich and thick and rich. So what am I going to do here? Open the differential up and see the damage? Or just drive with no front or no rear drive shaft? Look at the rust. Tried so hard to keep this vehicle protected. It still has the original exhaust system from 1984. So I think I've got a differential problem. Yep. 75, 80 degrees. I think that's a bit too much. And if you come over here to my other K5 Jimmy, this one's got 373 optional gears. I know it because the tag underneath the plow control says it. Normally they came with 342s, 308 optional for highway driving, or 373 for better in-town acceleration. Look at this. This has got just a few degrees of movement. So, what do I do? Take the differential off of this. Probably has 342 gears. It does not have posi. I had it lifted up. And put it on the K5 for the winter. What I did notice was, check this out. The rear U-joint was changed because it's got a grease fitting. Maybe it wasn't changed. Still got the nylon injected in. No, it's the original U-joint. But it's junk. It's got a grease fitting, but oh yeah. Junk. Here. Time for a rear U-joint. Front one's fine. No corrosion on this baby. New fuel filter. Still see the draw marks when they stamped out these floor pans and reinforcements. It's got dual exhaust. This baby's going to be for sale, but I may be borrowing the rear differential off of it. That one's nice. The front one's the one that usually goes. It takes all the stress. The shaft